All right, I'm gonna try and give you this content. There is a noise from this truck. Oh, damn it, I missed it. We're gonna try and give it to you. Oh, there it is. So did you hear that? So why does your exhaust make that type of noise? It's the cooling of the expansion and contraction of your exhaust system. That means something's moving, but not enough to cause an exhaust leak. What's happening is I'm gonna give you here. Caleb's gonna do this. Come over here. On this particular car. In this particular car, you hear? I heard it all the way over here. It's a compression style flange at the manifold for the exhaust. So what happens here, you have 1, 2 is the exhaust, and 3 is the flange. And then if the nuts are decaying, which his are, what you're hearing is this, ready? Kick, kick, as it's cooling. You don't see it, but that's what it's doing. So why is your exhaust system make noise? Either why it's hot, tick, or not consistently tick like you have your motors ready to blow apart.
Yeah, or like you just beat the crap out of your
tick
car.
Or a creak from the exhaust, not from your suspension. I heard it all the way over here again. It's a metallic snap or a click. That's the exhaust cooling and moving. And this was a great example, and I'm glad that I caught it on camera. I hope that you guys heard it. But I just wanted to explain to you what it is. Something is moving in your exhaust, and it doesn't have to be a necessary problem. It's just annoying sound. And you hear this.
It's not a problem yet, but it will be a problem soon.
When that nut finishes rusting off his manifold, it will. But we're fixing his exhaust system today, so we're going to fix that noise. Thanks for watching. I'm glad we caught it on